acted like a maniac, one step ahead. While he was at Roses, he got in, I think, Walmart too. Unfortunately, he got a better curtain rod, and Bobby's story put it up so it will fit better. The other one was real cheap; it would fall apart and bend in the middle, but this one's a little sturdier. I told Tommy thanks. I told his older brother Robert's story, his nickname Booty. I said, "Thanks, Booty." And Mr. Story said, "Yeah, thanks." And Bobby got some money for helping out, and so did Tommy's older brother Robert's story, nicknamed Booty.